The Bollinger Bands are a technical analysis tool used by traders to measure volatility and identify potential price trends in the financial markets. Developed by John Bollinger in the 1980s, these bands consist of a simple moving average line and two standard deviation lines above and below it. The standard deviation lines expand and contract based on market volatility, creating a channel that prices tend to stay within. When prices touch or exceed the outer bands, it may indicate overbought or oversold conditions, potentially signaling a reversal in the trend. Traders often use Bollinger Bands in conjunction with other technical indicators to confirm signals and make informed trading decisions. By understanding how to interpret Bollinger Bands, traders can gain insight into market dynamics and improve their chances of success in the financial markets.